So like I have told you the arrogant plane, we have another complex representation which is known as the polar representation. We can say we can draw the similar complex plane which we have x-axis as with the real values and y-axis with the imaginary values and origin as 0, 0. So now here we are considering or we are assuming a point P x, y. So when we join origin and this point P, what is the value we get of this length OP? Yes.
To the aorta, which is the largest artery in our body. Okay? Largest in terms of the volume, it can carry the maximum amount of blood. So blood is going through the artery to different parts of our body. From here, different arteries are arising and it will go to the upper region of the body and to the lower region of the body. So blood now has reached to our oxygenated blood is absorbed again. The end that nutrients will be transferred to the cells. Okay, the cells will respire, form energy in the form of ATP, and
Many sensitive whites also joined the ANC to oppose apartheid and played a leading role in the struggle. Now, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला ना, you told कि नहीं दीदी मैं तो ऐसा नहीं करता हूँ. I told no, every person is not exactly same. हर लोगों में डिफरेंस है. वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी जो white लोग थे, जो सेंसिटिव थे, जो अच्छे थे या जिनका आप बोल सकते हो दिमाग थोड़ा ऊंचे लेवल पे था, government continued to rule by detaining, torturing and killing thousands of black and colored people. लेकिन अब वाइट गवर्नमेंट है, वो तो अपना काम करेगी ना. दे हैव टू डू देयर वर्क. सो व्हाट दे डिड वाज कि आप आ रहे हो, आप कुछ भी कर लो, जितना मर्जी प्रोटेस्ट कर लो, ओनली 20%
days and we can extract those. So in this chapter also talks about those morals. When you get into some reading, try to analyze also. We are reading something that is okay for our relaxation of mind. We read generally for relaxation and leisure. The very moral lesson he has given to this world, he has preached to this world, is the lesson of unity in diversity. So I will tell you why.
Okay, what do you mean by natural? Have you ever heard this term? Okay, and what are resources? Okay, now combine these two meanings and what do you get by natural resources? Whenever you heard this term,
ठीक है. एक दिन वो वहाँ जाती है. कहाँ जाती है? एक दिन वो वहाँ जाती है. वह उसे अपने साथ लेकर जाती है. किसे? वहाँ बारिश आ जाती है. कहाँ? फिर वो वहाँ से वह लेती है. क्या लेती है? हाँ. फिर वो उसे अपने साथ वापस ले आती है. इसमें आपको कुछ समझ आया?
Parliament. And tell me what is parliament? It's the highest law-making body or institution for this whole country, right? And later we have studied that what is inside this. What is inside this parliament? Two chambers. The first one is known as. The other one is known as. This is also known as. And this is also known as. Okay, who is having the more part? Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. Tell me. Yeah, Lok Sabha is having the. Yeah, and later we have studied the women's participation. Now tell me.
So today we are going to study about data handling. So what is data? Data is any source of information. Okay, random information. अगर मैं आपको कुछ भी दे दूँ, कोई भी जानकारी दे दूँ, that is data. And data handling is organizing the data in a perfect way. Like every one of you got your report card in sixth grade report class, sixth grade report card, right? So you have seen there your marks like this. For English, T1, T1 and final. 55 in T1 and 16 finals. So this is a sort of information you got and this is a data.
India.
Okay. So from 12th century CE onwards, Delhi gained importance as a central city of kingdoms. So from 12th century onwards, Delhi gained the importance of the central city. From 12th century, from which century? Which? Yeah. they were defeated by the Chauhans of Ajmer in the middle of the same century. In the 12th century, Delhi got the importance of the central city, right? Then it became the capital of the Tomara Raj.
Open the page number 67. पार्ट का नाम है सुख की कमीज। बहुत समय पहले उत्तरी अफ्रीका में एक राजा था। तो इस नाम में एक बात करने वाले हैं, एक राजा था जिसमें मतलब वो खुशी उसके पास सब कुछ था पर वो खुश नहीं था। और इसमें हम पढ़ने वाले हैं कि हमें छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में ही खुशी ढूंढनी चाहिए। तो प्लीज बी क्वाइट एंड लिसन टू मी, ओके। उसके पास सब कुछ था, परिवार, सोना, चांदी, नौकर, चाकर, बस एक ही चीज़ नहीं थी, वो थी खुशी। उसके पास सब कुछ था, नौकर थे उसके मतलब उसके घर में, परिवार था
और लाइन के बीच का डिफरेंस फाइन, ठीक है। किसी को कोई डाउट? नाउ अब एक चीज बताओ, जो सूरज से लाइट आती है, द लाइट कमिंग फ्रॉम द सन, इज इट अ लाइन और अ लाइन सेगमेंट? लाइन। व्हाई? Now listen. Light comes like this from the sun. This is sun, okay? Now light is coming from here. Fine. This is earth and light is coming like this, okay? Like this. Now ये क्या दोनों डायरेक्शन में एक्सपैंड कर रही है? नहीं, और एक एंड से वो एक्सपैंड कर रही है, ठीक है। जब कोई लाइन है, जब कोई इमेज एक ही एंड से एक्सपैंड करे और एक एंड उसका फिक्स हो, उसको बोलते हैं रे। कम ऑन, repeat. What is this called?
I am poised and down the hill. Dark with headful mind, the air goes by in a wind. The boy here, he wants, and he is saying his feet are lifted and hands are still. His feet are lifted and hands are still, not moving. Okay. I am poised and down the hill. I am poised and down the hill.
पसंद है? कोई मेरे को बता सकता है उसको हिंदी क्यों पसंद है, या हिंदी में उसको क्या पसंद है? तुम में से किसी को कोई कहानी पसंद है? बताओ कौन सी कहानी और क्यों?
Chapter number 7, adaptations in animals. Okay. So there is a question for you all. Observe the pictures carefully. Can you see an animal? Do you think the body color of the animal helps it to live in its surroundings? So could you see an animal here? No. Good. Okay, so this phenomena is known as camouflage. Animals use this to change their colors and to protect them from the predators. So who all are predators? Yes, very good. So what do you mean by a habitat? A place where an animal lives. Forest. Forest is the habitat for lion. Okay. And some animals are having same habitat. An example for it? Snow leopard and yak live in the same
subsidiary alliance and doctrine of lapse. So you guys have already studied what is in this subsidiary alliance. This was introduced by Lord Wellesley in 1798. This policy was introduced, and this Lord Wellesley 8 to 1805. It started that this policy stated that all the Indian rulers which were under the British company, under the protection of British country, would have to maintain a permanent.
So what is LCM? So LCM means least common multiple. Okay. So for finding the LCM, if you are finding the LCM of two numbers, so taking 12 or 15, we are finding the LCM of 12 or 15, then how we will do, we'll be taking the prime numbers, which is then 5, 15, 15 will be the same. Okay. Then 6, it comes in the table of 2, it will be 3. 15 as same, then 3, then 1, here it will be 5. Then 5 is also a prime number, so 5, here we'll be writing 5. Okay. you can see we got 1 1, means these are all the numbers which are the divisible by or factors of these two numbers. So by multiplying these numbers like 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, we get the least common multiple, that